Hey guys, MC from MCPD Studios coming to you today to talk to you in this video about the #1 tool I have used this year to absolutely crush the goals I set for the first quarter of 2019, the Best Self Journal. So here it is, the Best Self Journal. Now this particular one, I'm at the end of. I got a little something to show you here in a minute, but I want to walk you through a little bit about how to use the Best Self Journal. There are three major components to this, and you'll notice there are three different colored bookmarks. You've got the yellow here at the beginning, and this is where you write down your target goals, your result goal for this 13-week period. For example, mine, I wanted to, and you'll have to excuse the glasses and the glare from the lights, otherwise I can't read. My first result goal was to achieve my brown belt in Kung Fu. I hit that in week 5. It was awesome. My second result goal was to increase my affiliate income to $1,000 a month average. And my third was to read 3 leadership books. So working backwards here, 3 leadership books. I ended up reading 4. And you'll notice there are progress goals here. So this is the result goal. And there are progress goals. I'm going to read 1 per month, I'm going to outline the major points, and I'm going to journal or record commentary. I didn't do fantastic at those last 2, but I did set aside 30 minutes a day. This is how I'm going to read 1 a month. You have breakout goals or actions plus tasks for each progress goal. So I set aside 30 minutes a day. I picked up a book instead of my phone or my iPad, and I track my progress. The way you track your progress is through this little gem here. Each week you write out your goals, and then all you do is mark how many times a week you want to accomplish that particular item. So if I wanted to work out with my X3 bar, I put 6 days a week I work out with it. I did hurt my back a little bit this week, so I knocked it down to 4. That's totally okay. One of the things I've learned about using this and having a family and a job and all those other things is flexibility is absolutely key. And then you reflect on it at the end of each week. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy were you this week and why? What are your big 3 wins for the week? Review your goal, which is the one with the yellow that I told you about earlier. Assess your progress. Did you spend time on the right things? If not, how are you going to make it better next week? And what was the biggest lesson you learned? So you have the opportunity to reflect and improve every single week. My biggest goal that I really wanted to accomplish was increasing my affiliate income revenue. Now, I'm sure you are aware I'm an affiliate for the X3 bar. It's a piece of workout equipment, the last piece of workout equipment I will ever need to purchase or own. I do not recommend, support, want to be a part of any product that I've not used myself and I don't believe in. The X3 is absolutely fantastic, as is the Best Self. These 2 items have helped me accomplish more in the last 13 weeks than really I ever have before in such an intentional way. I was able to actually increase my affiliate income to an average of $1,500 a month because I mapped out how I was going to do it. I couldn't just haphazardly try it. There had to be a plan, and that's what the Best Self Journal really lets you do. Here is the secret sauce, though. This is my goal, or rather my calendar for the day. Not the month, not the week, every single day. I get up in the morning and I map out my day. So on this left-hand column is from 6 a.m., which is adorable since some days I get up at 4, and it ends at 9, also adorable because I like to be in bed by like 8:30. But anyway, get up in the morning and I would map out everything I want to accomplish for that day. And these are some notes and ideas, just some other extra things I want to get done. But here's the key. Truly, this is the most important part of this whole thing. Gratitude. In the morning, you write down 3 things that you're grateful for. This morning, just to share, I was happy for a day off. I was grateful for productive plans that I've created and for a great attitude from my youngest daughter. And then over here, I've got my goal for the day and what my targets are. What is going to help me achieve that goal? How am I going to make today a win? How can I check W under that column, right? And at the end of the night, this is where I have an alarm, a reminder rather, on my phone to remind me to sit down. I write the lesson I learned for that day. This is a place where you can have an opportunity for improvement. And then you've got your 3 wins. This is all blank because it's not nighttime yet. What were the 3 things that I hit today that really brought me closer to my goals, that really helped me move the needle? And then finally, what you're grateful for at the end of the day. See, when you sandwich your day between gratitude, it really changes your heart. It changes your perspective on how you're going to handle that entire day. And those days run into one another. You just find yourself being more grateful. That's a topic for another time. Gratitude, that is. But what I am holding in my hand now is a brand new self-journal I just ordered, got 2 days ago, and it was good timing because I am 3 days away from wrapping up this first journal that I've been using. So I'm going to crack this sucker open. I'm going to show you what a blank one looks like and all the other cool features, and I'll show you what's on the back here. And so let's unbox. Here we go. I was trying to push it out. It doesn't push out. It unfolds. All right, fantastic. Look at that. So this is to hold your pen inside your journal. And again, can't read without glasses. Getting old, man, I'll tell you what. But here, your morning, this is a new feature. Your morning ritual and your evening ritual. Something I learned from Hal Elrod that I'm hoping to get on the podcast here relatively soon is the miracle morning. The way you approach each day and how having habits in the morning and again in the evening can really streamline things for you. But this looks really nice. They've got a whole pamphlet about how to use the journal. Now, I know what you're thinking. I have to read all this stuff to learn how to use it? Yeah, you do. Because the more intentional you are, if you really want to accomplish something, you're going to put the effort into it. And this is it's a very short little booklet. It's like 20 some odd pages long. It's not bad at all. Big writing. It's perfectly fine. But that'll walk you through exactly how to progress with your goals. Before we get to the journal itself, wow, this also comes. That's fantastic. I didn't have this the last time I ordered one. Is a big goal chart for all of your weeks and what you're going to reward yourself with there at the bottom. That might go up here on the wall at MCPD. And here we are, a brand new, love it. Love the new smell. Brand new, and that crack of the book when you open it. The journal. I should mention all the way at the back, there's just a bunch of lined pages where you can make notes. I've been doing that for a new podcast idea and some other goals. But here are your result goals, all blank and ready for me to fill in. You can plan out your month as well. Then you get to your weeks. Oh, they've changed it up a little bit. Fantastic. You got your weekly milestones. Oh man, this is really cool. I'm actually gonna have to read this because they changed it a little bit since the last time I got one. So I'm really looking forward to cracking into this. I will give you an update on how I'm doing in a few weeks, a little progress video, if you will. If you want to join me in this 13-week challenge, which isn't really I'm not issuing a challenge, but I will. I guess I am sort of issuing a challenge. I will challenge you to track your habits, to track your goals. Be intentional about it. Build in a plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Somebody famous said that at some point, and I don't remember who it is, so sorry, I'm not trying to steal their thunder. But if you will go to bestself.co and use the affiliate code MOTORCOP, that's MOTORCOP, at the coupon at checkout, you will get 15% off of your order. I'm really excited to partner with Best Self and to bring this to you, my audience. I cannot tell you how proud I am of the accomplishments I have made this year, how it's had ripple effects for my family, particularly for my wife and her building her business and launching her podcast, and so many cool things are coming. And this little tool right here, this little book, is a huge part in how I've been able to do all of that. So get you one, go to bestself.co enter MotorCop for 15% off, and I will give you an update in a few weeks. From MCPD, this is MC. Cheers.